Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Squiffy channel. Today we are talking about a free VPN. And we have covered this briefly in the past. It didn't work as well as it does now, so they fixed it. The issues a lot of you have commented on my videos about, they fixed. I've been following along on Twitter and I thought it's fair to bring it to you guys. And I know many of us, me included, YouTubers, don't normally cover free VPNs. Free VPNs bring risks with them. This VPN, from what we can tell, we've run all our usual checks, seems legit. It doesn't sell your data. I'll explain how they make their money for servers later in the video. And it just seems a good one. Through all virus checks, no malware, nothing like that, like a lot of other free ones do. And why a lot of us don't normally advertise free VPNs. One, they're not going to be as good as premium VPNs. Two, we get affiliation from VPNs. As you all know, I work with IPVanish normally. But the way things are at the moment, in this day and age, the cost of living has gone through the roof. And if we can save you a few pennies on another item, a VPN may just be that. So today we're going to show you how to install a Ward VPN on a Fire Stick, and you can also install it directly on your mobile phone because it works on Android phones and on Android TV as well. It's 100% free. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to make it work, and we want to run a couple of speed checks as well while we're there. Brilliant. Before we do that, if you can, do remember, hit that subscribe button. We're bringing you everything free. We don't charge for memberships. We don't have a Patreon. All we ask is quick likes, comments, and share the video. And obviously, be a follower. Brilliant. So, today, we're going to install a Ward VPN, a free VPN on our Fire Stick. And to do that, all we have to do is go to Find, and then search, and in here, type a Ward VPN. It's an official app within the Amazon App Store. If I click in the right bit, search. It's there for you to use, no problem. And we type a Ward. So A, W, A. You can type it all out if you have to, but mine comes up straight away, a Ward VPN, okay? So we click it. A Ward VPN allows you to get easy access to your favourite sites and applications without restrictions. So we click it. We will then need to install it. I've installed this on other devices and I've got it on other Fire Sticks. It works well with the Fire Stick remote, everything like that. Underneath, I've also linked the version for your mobile phone. So if you'd like to test it on your mobile phone first, why not? It works exactly the same. Okay, so we're going to click open. This is a Ward VPN, free. Okay, so what you can do, you can select server. There's quite a few different servers, all free. And wherever you want to check, we will try out an American one. Because I'm in the UK, I might as well try that out. And then you go to connect. Here you need to access a PIN code. So PIN codes last for 6 hours. But when that 6 hours is up, you can just get a fresh PIN code and go again. So if you're wanting to use it for accessing something, watching a film while you're online, 6 hours at a time is a pretty good amount of time to be online. So you go get new PIN. Right, scan me to get a free PIN for connection or visit awardvpn.com. So with your mobile phone, you can either scan it or you just go to the website. So on my screen now, let me just quickly show you. You can go to their website on here, or you can do it on your mobile phone, which we can do down here as well. Got the mobile phone open for you as well, if that's any easier. And all you do on it is go to get PIN. So I do it on my phone on the side. Get PIN, you'll see it on the page. Yes, there's adverts. So this is the key. Adverts is where they're making their money, okay? That's how they pay for their servers. You scroll down and you need to click this generate PIN code, okay? If it ever says enter credit card details or anything like that, you've pushed something wrong. Most likely you've clicked on an advert, okay? Adverts are going to relink you probably to other VPN companies because that's what the website's about. Anything like that, so it may ask for your credit card stuff, so you've gone wrong. It's all free, so you click generate PIN code and you see mine come up there. Again, same on the PC version. You click get PIN, wherever you see the get PIN button. Then you scroll down to generate PIN code. The PIN code button is a bit dark. It'd be something that'd be nice if they changed it to make it easy to see. Generate PIN code, and there we have it. So we have 7JE9BQ. Now, once you've got it, You can also do it via the mobile app. So on the mobile app, it goes directly to the website when you go get PIN. So if you have the mobile app, you can add that PIN onto your Fire Stick. It sounds complicated, but it's really simple. Okay. So now we type that code we just got in here, which is 7J. Oh, it's a capital J. So let's make sure we get that right. 7J E 9 B Q. Okay, we click next, connect to VPN, and that will connect to us. Obviously, standard on your Fire Stick, it's going to ask for connections. Connecting, connected. And at the top, you will see over there, disconnecting after 5 hours, 58 minutes, and 49 seconds. So you've got 6 hours there. That's New Jersey 1. Loads of other ones you can swap and change within that 6 hour code. If you disconnect, the timer continues. So if you disconnected for 3 hours, then reconnected, you'd only have 3 hours left. It's not 6 hours of connection time. It's 6 hours from when you get the PIN. Okay. So that's connected. Now I am connected on American server. We can quickly do a quick speed check if we want to. Speed test on Analytics. I'm not going to update. Just because we're on the mobile. And let's have a look for us now. There we go. Obviously, we've got a bigger ping because we're on an American server. But we've got 37, 38 megabytes per second, 39, 40, 41, 42 megabytes per second on a free server on the download speed. 25, 26 on upload speed, which is huge on free servers, guys. Obviously, if you want more than that and faster than that, I would link my IPVanish VPN link directly underneath for you. Again, on your mobile phone, let me find it for you. Here, this is the mobile app. Okay, so the mobile app for it as well. And on here, if you click Get PIN, it will take you straight to the website to get your PIN. So you could get your PIN on here. You could get your PIN on here, and you can put it into your Fire Stick if you want to, or just use it on your mobile phone. Exactly the same. You can rate it all in the Google Play Store, all in the Amazon Play Store, and in your Android TV Play Store. Is all available for you. I've kept up to date with them on Twitter, mainly because on Twitter they told us about the servers not working. They told us about it suddenly working again. So again, I will link that directly underneath for you. That's all we can do. This is completely to save you money. Okay, it's in the Google Play Store. It's in your Google Play Store on your phone. It's in your Fire Stick Play Store. I'm just trying to save you money. If it's not something you want, I understand that. And we will also link our IPVanish VPN underneath as well if you wanted a premium VPN. A paid for one. If you feel more trusted paying for one, that is your choice. If you feel doubted, you can always run the apps through some of the app checkers for malware. But to get approved into the Google Play Store, Amazon Play Store, and other stores, you know, you have to make sure you're on point. But sometimes things slip through. But everything we've seen about Award VPN so far hits the money and it saves you money. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. Remember to subscribe to the channel. That's all we ask. A free share, a free like, and drop us a comment. And hopefully we can save you some money going forward. And I'll see you soon.